Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to comment anonymously in a Facebook group. First go to the Facebook, then head to the group where you want to comment anonymously. Note, anonymous comments only work if the group admin has enabled anonymous participation. If you are an admin, go to group settings, scroll down, make sure anonymous participation is turned on. Then this setting lets member post and comment without showing their name. If it's enabled, just go to any post and click the comment box. You will see an option to toggle post anonymously. Tap it before typing your comment. Type your message, hit post and Facebook, you will submit it anonymously. Others will only see group member as the name. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.